Good afternoon, batch. Today we have learned about assemble and disassemble to caliber 45. First is cock the caliber 45 thrice or twice.
Huwag mong ganyan.
Then put the safety lever into the safety position.
Liver.
Then push the barrel spring guide downward. Then twist the barrel bushing clockwise. Then counterclockwise. Separate the and then take the upper receiver group
Ay, slide stop.
get the slide stop.
Slide stop.
Stop.